We have passed a new law to embed social partnership working into Welsh public life. The Social Partnership and Public Procurement Wales Act will mean that the Welsh ministers and all the public bodies listed under the Wellbeing of Future Generations Wales Act will have a duty to ensure that social partnership working is embedded in the way we work. The Act will create a new social partnership council chaired by the First Minister with representatives from a range of social partners including employers, workers and government. It means public bodies must, insofar as is reasonable, seek consensus or compromise with trade unions or staff representatives when setting their wellbeing objectives under the Wellbeing of Future Generations Wales Act and when making decisions of a strategic nature about the reasonable steps bodies take to meet those objectives. Deputy Minister for Social Partnership, Hannah Blithen, said, "I'm very pleased and very proud to have delivered this important new law for Wales. We know that it's only by working in partnership with workers, employers and businesses that we can make real changes which will embed equality, fairness and well-being in our workplaces. I want to thank our trusted social partners and all who worked with us on the procurement duties for their support in helping us to create this Act, which will make a real difference to people, to workplaces and to Wales as a whole." To find out more about the Social Partnership and Public Procurement Wales Act, go to gov.wales, where you can download the resources and sign up for our newsletter.